Hey Confident Naturals, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Janeah Simone. I know it's been a while since I put up a beauty video and I'm super excited about this one. So hit that like and subscribe button and let me show you guys this makeup look with Janeah Simone Cosmetics. First, I'm going to be starting with their dark brown eyebrow pomade and their eyebrow groomer brush to groom my eyebrows. I really like this eyebrow groomer brush because the bristles and the comb is super amazing and gets all my hairs in check. So with the eyebrow pomade, I'm going to be using their angled eyebrow brush, which is also really great paired with this eyebrow pomade. The eyebrow pomade is super pigmented and it goes on amazingly well. You absolutely do not need a lot. So after I fill my eyebrows in with the dark brown pomade, I'm going to go in with the Color 2 concealer and just outline my eyebrows to make them look even more fresh. I really love this concealer because it comes in a tube and you can just use the stick directly. You don't need any extra brushes or anything. I think that's super cool and convenient. The concealer is really creamy and it spreads real well. So I'm going to be using the Go-To palette by Janeah Simone Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using their wide eyeshadow brush number 240. First, I'm going to go in with this mauve brown at the bottom row next to the burgundy, just as my lid color. This brush is wide, which I really love because it is perfect for lid colors. So you can just easily apply it, and the color is super pigmented. Next, I'm going to go in with their flat eyeshadow brush number 228. I'm going to just dap this purple right in the crease of my eye. I know it might look a little choppy right now, but don't worry. We're going to just dap that purple right in the corner of our eye. Following that, I'm going to use the narrowed blending brush 242, and I'm going to take the blue color right at the bottom of the palette and I'm going to just blend that purple and that blue kind of together and moving up my eye a tad. But we're going to just blend, make sure those two colors blend in perfectly fine. I want the purple to pop a little more, so I'm going to just dab a little more purple in the corners of my eye. I'm going to use the 134 fan brush just to brush away any excess eyeshadow that I have and also just make sure that the colors are blending in together. I'm going to take the Precision Brush 220 and I'm going to go in with the deepest pinkish gold in the palette, and I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye. Lastly, I'm going to take their flat top Kabuki brush number 154 and I'm going to apply my foundation. I really love this brush for foundation. It's really soft, it gives great coverage over my face, and it just applies my foundation perfectly. I'm going to go back in with my number 2 concealer, conceal underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to just blend that in with a sponge. So to top off this look, I have to throw in some eyelashes. So I just picked these eyelashes up from the beauty supply today. No particular special brand, and I'm going to just pop those on. So also to complete this look, I'm going to go in with the Dream lip gloss, which is the pink lip gloss of the line, which I really love. It's super glossy and flirty and moisturizing and soft. I mean, I love the lip gloss in this line. So yes, this is me. I tried to do a dramatic look because I know those kind of looks are really in right now, and this was my take. I think I did pretty good. I hope you guys liked the video, so please hit that like and subscribe button right now, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.